I'm headed to Chicago's Streeterville neighborhood, to a location that's a block east of Michigan Avenue's Mag Mile Shops and a block north of the Riverwalk, for a tour of one of Sweet Home's furnished short-term apartments at the high-amenity Optima Signature. Optima has a striking lobby with 24/7 door staff. Multi-level outdoor terraces at Optima host hot tubs, a pool with cabanas, fire pits, multiple grilling areas, and sauna and steam rooms. The spacious Club Quality Fitness Center has a wide variety of cardio and strength training equipment and is adjacent to an indoor pool with a hot tub. The fitness options also include a squash court, a full-length basketball court, a putting green, a golf simulator, a yoga and spin studio, and a bocce court. The 20th floor has a generously sized resident lounge with gaming areas and a conference room and co-working space. Optima has an indoor children's playroom and an outdoor play area next to a private dog park. I'm at apartment 1408, a southeast corner, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, looking through floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades toward Michigan Avenue's Mag Mile and the Riverwalk, turning into a spacious open-plan living dining area with floor-to-ceiling windows on two sides, wide plank flooring extending throughout the living areas here. Looking at a home office desk, comfortable furnishings, TV, of course. Turning toward the kitchen, wall-mounted microwave and conventional ovens, breakfast bar island, quartzite counters, there's a French door refrigerator, great cabinet and counter space, dishwasher, wine chiller, undermount stainless steel sink that has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, and 5-burner gas range. We're in a Sweet Home apartment, so it's set up with everything you're going to want to feel right at home. All the countertop appliances, cookware, dishes, cutlery, and a goodie bag with drinks and snacks. Just bring your suitcase. Heading toward the primary/master suite, set up with a king-size bed, nightstands, chest of drawers with another TV. Bedrooms are carpeted. Closets flank the entry to the bath. Looking at additional towels and linens and a laundry basket. Primary bath has a double bowl vanity with mirror, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, supply of toiletries, hotel-like services. And there's a walk-in shower with a frameless glass door, tile extending up to the ceiling. There's a linen closet in this bath. Turning toward the front entryway, looking at a coat closet, ironing board, iron, cleaning supplies, and great placement for it away from the living and sleeping areas. Side-by-side front-loading washer dryer, shelving up above. A great sense of arrival when you walk in. You're not going directly into your living and dining areas. Turning toward the second bath, there's another linen closet. Bath vanity has a bank of drawers, an undermount sink, again a vanity with mirror and a medicine cabinet built in, and a deep soaking tub. Bedroom 2, set up with a queen-size bed, little seating area, chest of drawers, again with a TV, and linens in another laundry basket in the closet. Optima Signature has a great location, an almost indescribably large suite of amenities. Sweet Home has a variety of offerings here, and they're a sweet deal. Head to Sweet Home's website to see more information and Sweet Home offerings in other locations.